Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Are you ready for great tasting and pure water? This is something that you can have so easily with this Waterdrop system that I got. It's dual flow, which means that it actually connects to your faucet to give you 5-stage filtered water. And it also comes with an auxiliary faucet that you install on the side of your sink that has reverse osmosis, 11-stage alkaline mineral infused water that tastes so good. So check out this faucet. All it takes is a turn of the knob to turn it on. This is a smart faucet. This shows you the TDS levels from the filtered water. And if you have the X series alkaline infused water like we do, then you'll see the TDS is a little bit higher. So ours is ranging around 18 to 20. It also shows you when you need to replace each of the filters. And I love this feature. You can set how many ounces you want, and then it will give you exactly that amount. No worrying about overflowing cups or pots. And the flow is so strong. So check out how we used to have to get water out of our fridge with it filtered here. It took forever to fill anything. This faucet from Waterdrop will fill a cup in 3 seconds. This is so amazing. The only thing extra we needed, beside what came in the kit to install this, was a drill in order to get through the marble countertop and then through our metal sink. But aside from that, so easily, it's basically a plug and play. This also can filter up to 1,200 gallons per day, and it's tankless, so it takes up a minimal amount of space underneath your sink. I could go on and on about this filtration system. It is absolutely awesome. You are going to love it as much as we have, so go get yourself one. And that's my point of view.